Advantages of microcontroller. Learning outcome. At the end of the session, students should be able to discuss the advantages of microcontroller application. The advantages of microcontroller include: they consume less power. They are economical. Microcontrollers are smaller in size compared to microprocessors. Use of microcontrollers has reduced PCB size to a great extent. They are reliable and operate faster. It is easy to use. Troubleshooting and system maintenance is simple. At the same time, many tasks can be performed so the human effect can be saved. The processor chip is very small and flexibility occurs. Due to their higher integration, cost and size of the system is reduced. The microcontroller is easy to interface additional RAM, ROM, and I/O port. Without any digital parts, it can act as microcomputer. It is easy to use. Troubleshooting and system maintaining is simple. Advantages of using microcontrollers in industry. There are a number of advantages to using microcontrollers in industry. Some of the major advantages of microcontrollers are that they are reusable, dependable, cost-effective, and energy efficient. Reusable. The typical microcontroller is programmable, which means it is reusable. This is especially advantageous for prototyping control circuitry. When developing a complex control system, it is not unusual for it to fail when first applied. As a matter of fact, a complex control project may need to be rewritten and or rewired many times before it meets design expectations. The fact that a control circuit can be modified by programming rather than rewiring is very advantageous for fast project prototype development. Dependable. Integrated circuits, such as the microcontroller, are much more dependable than relays. Before microcontrollers, control circuitry relied on many electromechanical relays and timers to control the system. Relays depend on electromagnets to move armature and contact parts, so they eventually wear out due to mechanical friction. Relays are also susceptible to damage caused by dust, dirt, corrosion, rust, insects, and other contaminants that can interfere with the moving parts. Microcontrollers have no moving parts. This provides a much higher rate of reliability. Relays and high-power transistors can be incorporated for final applications to motors, but the actual timing and control logic does not need to rely on the mechanical action of relays. Cost-effective. Microcontrollers can be produced at lower costs than their electromechanical predecessors. Also, microcontrollers can be reprogrammed if the design application does not work correctly or if the application for its use changes. Energy efficient. Because the majority of the circuitry is made from integrated circuits, the energy cost of using a microcontroller is much less than if using individual components of a relay-type logic circuit. Relay logic uses numerous relays wired in series and parallel to form control circuit conditions similar in function to logic gates. A microcontroller consumes less electrical energy than conventional electromechanical devices. That all the advantages of microcontroller. Thank you.